x minus 1 over 5. Okay. Next question. It's getting a little bit harder, but still the same, almost the same question. You are given some stuff indirectly though. Look, it says use the point slope form. Okay, first we need to get the point slope form then, and transform it to slope intercept form later once you obtain it. Alright, I need to start with point slope form. Y minus y1 equals mx minus x1. Now I need to get 3 points and plug it in here. I will just randomly pick these numbers and put it here. 0, 4, m is, let's describe it m. Is that right? No. We need to be careful here. First, the most obvious one is to look for is slope first. Slope. Are we given slope m explicitly, directly, like the previous question here? Do you see m equals this, slope is this? Any statement like that? No, we don't. We're not given. We're not given that. So how do we get the slope? Then after finding the slope, yeah, I will figure out a point on the line. But you are lucky at this phase because you are given 2 of them. You can use one of them, either one of them in x1 and y1. It doesn't matter which one. Either one is fine. You are given more than one, perfect. Just pick one because we want just a point on the line. They have provided with us 2 of them. Okay, so finding x1 and y1 is easy. It's one of these points you can pick. But slope is the difficult one. How can I get the slope? Any ideas? I wish I was given the graph. I could form this triangle and see rise and run and measure the slope. Okay, but I don't have any graph and anything. I am given only 2 points. Do we have a formula or something to compute slope if you are given only 2 points? Somewhere in 2.4 maybe?
Is it m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1?
Yes, that's it. We need to use this formula. Look, if you are provided 2 points, just substitute them in here and get that slope. So I'm going to copy that here. It's y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. What is x1, x2, y2, y1? This is x1, that's y1, x2, y2. I will just replace them now. y2 seems like 0, y1 is 4, x2 is minus 6, x1 is 0. So 0 take away 4 is negative 4. Negative 6 minus 0 is negative 6. I believe I can reduce them by 2. Divide both by 2. Right? And negative and negative divide into positive. So it's 2/3. Positive 2/3 is the slope. Make sense? Now, which one of these values, pair of numbers, are you going to use here? I'm going to go with the first one. This is x1, y1. So I will call this 0 because x1 is 0 right here. And y1 is 4. This is 4. And let's put everything back in place and see what we get. 2/3 x minus 0. Any questions? Alright, next, I would usually distribute this out, but since this 0 means nothing, it's just x left. X minus 0 is x itself. It's just 2/3 of x here, because 2/3 times 0 is 0 if you like. And then, yeah, this is it. This is point slope form. But no, that's not it. We need to get slope intercept form. This is point slope. How do I get the slope intercept? We isolate y. Add 4 to both sides and get y by itself. Okay? Now this is slope intercept. You see, one single move makes a change in the form. Formula turns into slope intercept.